Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad. Now the first thing that we need to do is of course make sure that you have some form of templates that you can go ahead and use for selling into your Gumroad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create something, say for example my template right here. We can go ahead and create anything, say for example make a template for finance tracking right here. So I'm actually just allowing AI to do this or to create some form of template. But say for example we have this as our template right here for us to be able to sell in Gumroad. Then once this is done, then we're gonna be using this as the actual template. Then we should be able to go ahead and use this. Now I'm gonna go into Gumroad right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and create our product. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into products right here, and then we're gonna create a new product by clicking on new product on the top right, and then you can go ahead and create the product that you want. So say for example the finance template right here, and then you can choose the type of products that you have. Since it is a Notion template, we can just use digital products right here, and then we can add in the price. So this price, this really depends on how much you want. I really recommend checking out the marketplace in terms of how much they are selling these for, to give you an idea as well. Once that you are happy, we can go ahead and click next or customize right here, and then this is where we can add in all information about the actual product. So you can add in a description right here. Say for example it is a template that allows users to use it for their finance purposes or tracking their inputs and outputs, or their gross or their net. Then URL is going to be the actual URL of the product itself. Can add in the covers as well, so make this all very fancy. Add in your horizontal image, so this cover will be shown right here. Thumbnail is what allows you to go ahead and be seen in the discover section or the Gumroad library at an easier thumbnail itself. There are a few more added information that you can choose as well, a few call to actions, a summary of what you will get, and a few things again in the pricing itself. Say for example you can allow customers to pay for what they want, then you can go ahead and use this. Or if you want customers to pay in installments of say 2 equal monthly payments of this one, they can go ahead and do so as well. If you want to add in new versions of it, say for example a less tailored version of the actual product itself, you can go ahead and do so as well. Now once that you're happy, we're gonna go ahead and click save and continue, and then this is where we're gonna be sharing our actual file or Notion template. Now if we go back into Notion right here, we're gonna be clicking on share, and then we're gonna be going ahead and copy the link in here. So once that you're happy, go ahead and copy the link. And then if we go back into Gumroad, then this is where we will go ahead and share the content. So say for example here is the Notion template, and then you can go ahead and paste it in there, and then there you go. Now you can go ahead and publish and continue. And again, as I mentioned, you need to at least have one payment method all set up first for your account for you to go ahead and publish this publicly. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.